Hello everyone, my name is O'Dane Barrett and thank you so much once again for joining me for another Marvelous Monday. This week we're going to be looking at the QL, the quadratus lumborum. This muscle, and you have one on the right and one on the left side, comes away from your hip bone and grabs a hold of the lower ribs. So it plays a very important role in keeping your pelvis leveled. Okay, so if you're tighter on the right side than you are on the left, then what you're going to get happening is the hip is going to lift up or draw up towards the rib cage. This means that your spine is not going to be sitting in a neutral position. Not a good thing in terms of back health. Okay, so we want to take a look at a great stretch for the QL, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the importance of having a stretching exercise for this muscle in your program. Here we go.
In a two-leg kneeling position with a block off to your left side, the closer the knees are together, the greater the intensity of the stretch, so you choose. From the side, you can see that your body is in a nice straight line with the shoulders, hips, and knees connecting with each other. Once you've held for 15 to 20 seconds on that side, we can switch to the opposite side, in this case your right. Continue to have your breath flowing and making sure that the intensity of the stretch is at a point where you're feeling a slight tension and no pain.
So there we have a wonderful flexibility exercise for the QL, the quadratus lumborum. And it's important that I have you understand that when we're looking at flexibility, we're really looking at maintaining balance in our bodies, a balance between tension or stability and mobility or length and range of motion, all right? And quite often I find that flexibility training gets the short end of the stick when it comes to an exercise program. So it's extremely important that we include flexibility exercises as well as strengthening and endurance training exercises in our program. It's always about maintaining that delicate balance. And oftentimes when we don't, we begin to experience some negative consequences of that in our bodies. Now, I hope you receive this word of encouragement from me. As it is in our bodies, so it is in life as well. That if we are not doing our best to maintain that delicate balance, quite often we experience some negative consequences on our overall health, be it social, be it emotional, or in this case, we're talking about your physical health. So I encourage you to do your best to maintain balance, nutritionally balance, physically balance, emotionally, and in all of the other many areas of our lives. Thank you so much for your time today. Have a marvelous Monday.